Record high sales, record low inventory, and continued high demand. The seller's market continues for the Outer Banks in real estate. I'm Mike Moose Smith, MooseOBX.com, and the Outer Banks Realty Group with my December real estate market update for the Outer Banks. The November statistical report from the Outer Banks Association of Realtors recaps another record month in several areas. Total residential sales volume is up 49% over the same time last year to nearly $2 billion. Land sales volume is up 125%, and commercial volume is up 125% as well. Residential unit sales year-to-date total 3,139. That's up 13% over 2020, 60% over 2019. The year-to-date residential median price is now $479,000. Now that's an increase of 17% over last year's 23% jump from 2019. That represents a 43% increase over 2019, which was $334,605. The year-to-date average sales price rose 36% over 2020 to $612,212, a 53% increase compared to 2019's figure of $400,752. Yearly lot land sales, which total 892, are up 62% for 2021 and were up 40% in 2020. Compared to 2019, that's a 127% increase. The year-to-date median sales price is $109,814, an increase of 14% over last year and 32% compared to 2019. The average sales price is up 26% over last year to $156,515, a 28% increase over 2019. One of the records I mentioned at the beginning of the report was the record low inventory. On the day the data was retrieved by OBAR, December 7th, there were 377 active residential listings compared to 618 last year and 1,493 in 2019, a decrease of 75%. On the day I wrote this report, December the 9th, that number was down to 370. The lack of inventory we are experiencing seems to have happened overnight, but looking at the data from OBAR, you can see that this inventory problem was bound to happen eventually. 2008 is the earliest complete year I have monthly residential inventory data for. For that year, the average number of residential units available was 2,475. That figure stayed above 2,000 units until November of 2010 when it dipped to 1,984. The average for 2011 was down to 1867, then to 1791 for 2012, and 1826 for 2013. The low point occurring in December of that year with active units at 1,700. There was an uptick in 2014 with residential inventory averaging 2,006 units. The high point was August with 2,119 units. November of that year would be the last time monthly residential inventory would top 2,000 units. 2015's average dropped to 1,842 units a month, down to an average of 1,656 in 2016, 1,493 in 2017. Well, you get the idea. Certainly, there were factors that seemed to accelerate the pace of that drop in inventory, but regardless, it was going to happen. Our residential inventory for the month of November is down 85% compared to November of 2008. Low inventory combined with high demand has reduced the average days on market from 114 days in 2020 to just 53 days in 2021. But there are areas where that days on market figure is closer to 30 days or less in Kitty Hawk, where it is 29 days, and Kill Devil Hills at 26 days. 32 days is the average for both Collington and Currituck mainland. Something for you to check out. If you want to see the complete rundown of all of the individual areas, go to the market report section at MooseOBX.com, or you can check it out in the real estate section of OBX Today. Information in this video is based on information from the Outer Banks Association of Realtors, MLS, for the period January 1, 2008 through December 9th, 2021. Mike Moose Smith, MooseOBX.com, and the Outer Banks Realty Group. Thanks for watching.